Hello, welcome, what's up guys, I am Bybit, and in this tutorial I will show you how to check your history searching and watching on YouTube, on your YouTube channel. I will show you how to do it, so you immediately like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment and let's go. So first what you need to do is click on your channel, okay, and now here you have option on your left like history and others. Okay, click history. And as you can see, here is your watch history and others, but you may also clear and turn off. I have turned off my watch history, so there is nothing here. Okay, also you here have natural history, watch and search history, comments, live chat. Okay, and here you may check it. So that's all what I wanted to show you in this tutorial, so thanks for watching. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Bye bye and see you next time.